Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to do a factory reset in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra phone. To reset our phone, we have to go to the setting first. Then we are looking for a general management options right here. And here we have at the bottom reset. So we tap it once, and here we have a couple of reset options, but we are interested in factory reset. So to do a factory data reset, we simply use this function here, and there is a little warning, as you can see, and reset. Yes, all will be erased, can't be recovered. Delete all. And phone will shut off and turn on in a couple of minutes. And that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.